The ZONESUN ZS-FAL180YT is an integrated dropper bottle production line combining bottle unscrambling, dual station filling, dropper placing, plug pressing, capping, and labeling in one continuous system. Powered by the dual station dropper bottle filling capping machine and the labeling machine, the line delivers up to 70 bottles per minute with stable, synchronized operation. Featuring magnetic pump dosing, dual vibrating bowls, a rotary indexing platform, and precise star wheel positioning, it ensures accurate filling, reliable dropper placement, and consistent sealing quality. Suitable for essential oils, pharmaceuticals, chemical liquids, and other small dose products, the system can operate independently or integrate seamlessly into a larger GMP-compliant production line.